Hi, I'm Ksenia Yasnova, Public Relations Specialist of the company RosCo. In connection with the introduction of anti-Russian sanctions, the government of the Russian Federation introduced a special procedure for real estate deals involving foreigners from non-cooperative countries. What is the order and under what conditions does it not work? Let's find out together. The conducting of the special operation and the restriction associated with it forced the government of the Russian Federation to introduce a special procedure for transactions by residents with foreigners from non-cooperative countries.
What countries are non-cooperative?
The list of countries non-cooperative to Russia was published in the order of the government of the Russian Federation. So, today such countries as Andorra, Australia, Albania, the United States of America, Great Britain, Canada, Iceland, Switzerland, Ukraine, Monaco, New Zealand, Japan, Singapore, Montenegro, Norway, and a number of other countries have come under restrictions.
What is the special procedure for real estate transactions and why is it introduced?
To make transactions with real estate, you need the permission of a special commission, which was created by the government of the Russian Federation. Such measures have the sole purpose of preventing the outflow of capital abroad.
What is the order of deals for individuals?
Individuals associated with non-cooperative countries can freely, without obtaining special permission, make real estate transactions with residents. According to general rules, without special permission of the Commission, individuals from non-cooperative countries can conduct the following transactions. Sale of real estate to residents. In this case, the money for the completed transaction must be credited to a special account of type C. Purchase of real estate from residents. An agreement on participation in shared construction, as well as the fulfillment of an obligation under such an agreement concluded with a resident. To make such transactions, you need to submit a package of documents to RosReestr without any additional permissions.
What is the order of transactions for companies?
For companies, such concessions as for individuals do not apply. You need to obtain permission for the transaction. In order to obtain it, the company must apply to the Ministry of Finance of the Russian Federation. The application can be sent by email or mail. The obtained permission is included in the package of documents submitted for registration. However, in some cases, companies can do without special permission.
How does the exception to the rule work in practice?
There is an exception to this rule. Let's take a common example. Two Russian companies entered into a deal to sell real estate. The seller, a Russian company, has a foreign non-cooperative company as a founder, but the ultimate beneficiary is a Russian company. Does the company need to obtain permission from the Government Commission in this case? In this example, this transaction must be carried out in a special order. But the decree of the President of the Russian Federation contains exceptions that allow not to apply a special procedure if a foreign company is controlled by a Russian company or individuals. Under the terms of our example, the ultimate beneficiary is a Russian company. Information about the control of the Russian company is presented to the tax authorities. With the simultaneous fulfillment of these conditions, when carrying out a real estate transaction, it is not necessary to obtain permission from the Special Commission. When submitting a package of documents for registering a transaction to RosReestr, the company must provide such confirmation. It could be a receipt from the tax authorities confirming the acceptance of an electronic document if the document was sent through an e-invoicing. Mark of tax authorities on acceptance if the document was submitted on paper. Mail receipt with a description of the attachment with a mail mark if the document was sent by mail. I'm glad you watched the video till the end. I'm Ksenia Yasnova. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment and RosCo specialists will kindly answer them. And of course, subscribe to our channel, where you'll find loads of useful information not only for your business, but also for yourself. Stay in touch, stay with RosCo.